Okay everybody, so welcome back to a new episode. In this one, we are looking at AMC again, because obviously you guys did enjoy the last time when we looked at AMC. So again tonight we're giving our daily price predictions and what I personally do think could happen tomorrow. If you do want to see that guys, please leave a like and subscribe, it would be appreciated. Obviously I am not a financial advisor and this is all just my opinion, so please take it for entertainment purposes and not as financial advice or education. With that being said though, we're going to jump straight in, not wasting any more time, and have a look at how AMC has been moving and how it could move in the future. Like I said guys, with this one, we're going for a bit more of a short-term analysis, looking at tomorrow and the next few days. Obviously, we do have a look at this one every single day now because you guys do seem to enjoy it, so make sure not to miss tomorrow's. But yeah guys, today we have seen AMC sell off by quite a bit. We're down about 20% on the day, which is honestly pretty bad to be honest. I mean, overall, over the past month or so, we can see big increases, which have put us up by about 278%. So you know what, the fact that we are selling off right now is not the worst thing in the world. We are still up about 102%. Now, personally, in my opinion, I definitely think this one is going to level out soon enough, because obviously when we're looking at AMC stock, this one is basically down a significant amount. It was currently, or at least previously, on about $4.96, and now it's back down to about $7.12. That is a significant increase, but it's not as big as what we were seeing before. And of course, we do have the prospect that other hedge funds could definitely have to, go back onto their positions and add to this one, which could also boost it again in the future. So honestly, guys, reading the comments, I've seen a lot of opinions about AMC and how it could be moving going forward. But I personally believe tomorrow will be a pretty flat day for AMC, and I think that is really what we need to see. I think the hype has definitely not gone away from this stock. I think a lot of people are still optimistic about it, and I don't think that's a bad thing. But I think the way that you need to carry yourself into this investment is different to some of the other ones which we cover on the channel. I think AMC is definitely more of a speculative play in my opinion. That's not necessarily a bad thing. You can still make money with it potentially if it does trade in the right direction. But you've got to remember guys, I've seen people in the comment section saying that they are betting their whole lives on companies like AMC or GameStop. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I'm not saying it's a good thing. That's up to you whether you want to do that. But personally, in my opinion, I would not bet tons of money on this one. Yes, it does have huge potential to rocket up still. But on the other hand, guys, it could also sell off and you could be losing money. So yes, guys, the potential really is there for the upside. Tomorrow could bring a flat day, which would be quite an indication, in my opinion, of some more good things to come. But honestly, guys, with this one, I would definitely tread cautiously. So please do bear that in mind. So yeah, guys, the whole week has actually been red for this one, looking on the 5-day chart. Not a bad thing. I think this sell-off is definitely coming to an end. Obviously, a lot of hype did go out of the stock only a few days ago, and that's not necessarily the worst thing. On top of that, we had different types of, investment accounts such as Robinhood, which were hindering the amount of shares that you can buy. And of course, what that resulted in is a lot of people just selling their shares and going over to different accounts. So that is also not a bad thing in my opinion. So going into the next few days, I think this one is going to see a bit of an increase. Yes, tomorrow could be flat, and that is a great thing to see. And obviously, in the next few weeks, we could also have the prospect of some hedge funds having to go back on their positions and also boosting the price of this stock. And of course, that is what we all want to see. So guys, in conclusion, AMC is honestly a more speculative play. It definitely does have a lot of potential to hit extremely high heights, but of course it does have potential to go down in price as well. But obviously guys, in my personal opinion, I think the next few days are going to be crucial for this one. I think it really is going to show how much hype is left in the stock. I think if we can see it go back up, it could be an indication of more good things to come. But honestly guys, it depends how many investors are still confident in this one, and of course and what advice is out there from actual financial advisors and what people are saying, because I know that somebody called Mark Cuban, I'm not sure if you've heard of him, he had an opinion on this stock and others, and of course that will have influenced the price of this one ever so slightly. And it's just little things like that which really could have a big effect in the next few days. So of course guys, in conclusion, AMC does have a lot of potential. Obviously, if people do keep on their position, if it does keep getting hype as well, it could definitely rocket. But on the other hand, we've got to look at the actual people who are trying to limit this one. And of course, a lot of billionaires and millionaires are trying to limit this one from a legal point of view, from a financial point of view. Like I said, we've got companies like Robinhood, which are limiting the amount of shares that you can buy. And it's just little things like that which do kind of hinder the potential. But honestly, guys, if we can get a fair play on this one, if everybody plays their part fairly, i.e. the companies allow you to buy unlimited shares and investors are happy to buy that one, we could still see this one increase in price. So like I said guys, in an absolute conclusion, just to sum things up, this one is a very interesting stock. It still does have a lot of potential. The fact that it's down right now is not too concerning, and it could still be a great opportunity to buy the dip. But if I was going to be buying this one, I would definitely only afford to, risk what I can lose, because ultimately it is a speculative play and it could move back down just as fast as it goes up. But honestly, if that sell-off can end in the next few days, good things could be coming with this one, and of course we could be going back up. But still guys, it is more of a bet at the minute. Even though the potential is there, there is still a chance that it could also fall in price significantly. So obviously it's not a bad stock, but with the way that things are, it's definitely a risky play, and I would definitely not bet my whole life savings on that. But guys, tell me what you are doing with AMC down in the comment section. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. I think tomorrow is going to be a crucial day. If we can flatten out on it, it will be a good indication, and it will also show that not all of these investors are selling out. Obviously, if we can level out in the $6 or $7 range, it will hopefully show that a lot of people are still interested, and we do have that potential to pop back up in the future. So like I said guys, please do tell me in the comments what you think. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you holding? Are you not holding? How many shares do you have? How many shares do you want to buy? Are you even allowed to buy shares? I want to hear what you guys have to say in the comments. But I hope you enjoyed this quick video guys. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.